shapes worldwide, but the exact number is constantly evolving due to regional variations, culinary creativity, and modern innovations. This includes traditional pasta shapes, Asian noodles, Middle Eastern variations, and other culturally significant forms of dough-based strands or shapes.
Perfect pasta. Understanding al dente. Welcome back to Edīn Chef Science. Dive into the science behind your favorite dishes. Today we're unlocking the mystery of perfect pasta and why al dente is the golden standard. Let's explore what happens when pasta cooks and how you can perfect it every time. Italy alone boasts more than 350 distinct pasta shapes, each with unique names, regional ties, and purposes.
Spaghetti, linguine, fettuccine, penne, rigatoni, fusilli, ravioli, tortellini, orecchiette, trofie e cavatelli.
Regional preferences and traditions have led to the creation of many hyper-local varieties that are less known internationally but cherished within Italy. Does pasta really come from Italy?
The origins of pasta are widely debated, but Italy is not its true birthplace. Here's a breakdown. 1. Origins in China. Noodles, as a general concept, are believed to have originated in China around 4,000 years ago, where wheat-based noodles were developed. Marco Polo's travels in the 13th century are often cited in connection with pasta, but historical records suggest pasta-like foods existed in Italy before his time. Second, Arab influence. Pasta's likely arrival in Italy can be attributed to Arab traders during the early Middle Ages. Dried pasta, known as itria, was ideal for long journeys and became a staple in southern Italy, particularly in Sicily. Third development in Italy. While pasta itself may not have originated in Italy, it is in Italy that it became a cornerstone of culinary tradition. Italians perfected the art of pasta making, creating diverse shapes, sauces, and cooking methods, and ultimately popularizing pasta as we know it today.
Pasta. Simple, versatile, and utterly satisfying when done right. But what makes al dente the gold standard? Today, we're diving into the science of perfect pasta and why achieving that perfect bite is all about chemistry. The science of starch and gluten in pasta. When pasta hits boiling water, two key components spring into action: starch and gluten. The starch inside the pasta absorbs water, swelling up and gelatinizing. Meanwhile, gluten proteins create an elastic network, holding everything together. This gelatinization is key to achieving that firm, chewy texture we associate with al dente pasta. Pasta, made primarily from durum wheat, contains gluten, a protein that provides structure and elasticity. As pasta cooks, gluten forms a network that helps maintain its shape while contributing to a slightly chewy bite. A balance between starch, gelatinization, and gluten formation is crucial to creating al dente pasta.
Cooking to al dente keeps that balance, tender but with a slight bite, preserving the pasta's integrity.
Salt and water. Now, let's talk flavor. Salt isn't just seasoning, it's chemistry in action. Adding salt to your pasta water enhances the flavor of the noodles themselves and forms that tasty, firm texture. But how much salt is enough?
The sweet spot, about 1 to 2% salt by weight of the water. That's roughly 1 tablespoon of salt per 4 liters of water. This amount seasons the pasta without overwhelming your dish.
flavor.
Salt enhances the pasta's natural flavor by absorbing into the pasta as it cooks, making it taste better.
Texture.
Cooking pasta too long allows the starch to fully hydrate, breaking down the gluten structure and creating a mushy texture.
Want to take it a step further? You have chicken or vegetable stock left. Use it as pasta water, or if not, just add a cube of chicken or vegetable bouillon to your pasta water. Not only does it season the pasta, but it also infuses it with a subtle depth of flavors that pairs beautifully with many sauces, especially for lighter dishes like aglio e olio or primavera. For the ultimate pasta experience, always reserve a cup of that starchy cooking water. It's perfect for binding sauces and creating that luscious coating. And remember, pasta continues to cook slightly after draining, so aim for just under al dente if you will be finishing it in a sauce.
Bioavailability. Why we taste what we taste. Cooking pasta to al dente doesn't just affect texture and flavor. It also has significant implications for bioavailability and metabolism. Here's how.
Pasta cooked al dente retains more resistant starch, which is a type of carbohydrate that resists digestion in the small intestine.
Why it matters.
Foods with a lower GI release glucose into the bloodstream more gradually, preventing sharp blood sugar spikes.
Metabolic benefit.
This steady energy release helps maintain balanced blood sugar levels, providing sustained energy and avoiding insulin spikes that can lead to fatigue or cravings.
Why it matters.
Resistant starch acts as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial gut bacteria and improving gut health.
Impact on starch. Bioavailability. Resistant starch.
It slows down overall digestion and contributes to better nutrient absorption while supporting a healthy microbiome.
Metabolic benefit.
This reduces the likelihood of overeating.
Why it matters.
A slower eating pace aligns with optimal digestion and helps regulate appetite hormones like ghrelin, hunger hormone, and leptin, satiety hormone.
Improved nutrient absorption. Controlled starch release.
With al dente pasta, the gradual breakdown of starch allows for better absorption of nutrients without overwhelming the digestive system.
Metabolic benefit.
The firmness of al dente pasta encourages slower chewing and eating, which gives the brain time to register fullness.
Why it matters.
It avoids the rapid digestion of starch that can occur with overcooked pasta, leading to better utilization of vitamins, minerals, and amino acids.
Balance of macronutrients.
Enhanced nutrient absorption contributes to overall health and efficient metabolism.
Prolonged satiety. Chewy texture. Slower eating. Protein and gluten. Matrix integrity.
Al dente cooking preserves the integrity of the gluten network, which helps slow down the release of starch.
Why it matters.
This slows digestion and helps balance the effect of carbohydrates with the protein content of the meal.
Metabolic benefit.
A balanced macronutrient release supports stable energy levels and efficient metabolic function.
Cooking pasta. Al dente is not just a culinary preference, it's a nutritional strategy. Lower glycemic index, starkosters, steady energy. Resistant starch equals better gut health. Slower eating equals enhanced satiety. Nutrient absorption equals optimal digestion. For those focused on metabolic health, weight management, or sustained energy, al dente pasta is the ideal choice. Today, we learned about the role of starch and gluten in creating the perfect al dente pasta. Heard that bouillon boosts the flavor of pasta water. Explored how salt levels can enhance texture and taste. And discovered how cooking pasta al dente isn't just about perfect texture. It's a smarter choice for your health and metabolism. By preserving the integrity of starches and gluten, al dente pasta offers a lower glycemic index, promotes better nutrient absorption, and supports a healthy gut with resistant starch. Plus, it keeps you feeling full longer and provides sustained energy throughout the day. Whether you're optimizing flavor, health, or both, understanding the science of al dente is key to elevating your pasta game. Pasta may have a diverse heritage, but it's Italy that elevated it to an art form, defining how we enjoy it today. If you enjoyed this breakdown of culinary science, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the Edīn Chef Science channel for more, and comment below with your questions or topic requests. Let's keep exploring the delicious world of food science together.